Morning, everybody. Scrapping with Grandpa. What's next? My buddy Billy out there cleaning my truck. I started with him. We brought it downtown, vacuumed it out real good. Excuse me. Brought it back, emptied all the contents. So my truck is empty. Probably the first time in a long time. Yard is coming along really nice. I've got this little bit of mess that I've got to get cleaned up. It's not too bad. Them 2 boxes are already ready to go in the trailer, and a few other things. I had to move these garage door openers just long enough for me to get my tent over here built, and that thing is awesome, guys. I cannot wait to be working under that thing. I'm gonna stick me a fan somehow. I'm gonna try to hang it right here at the end, blowing right at me, so it's not too close but yet not too far away where I can feel it. Other than that, check this out. I decided to do another copper day. So that barrel was empty. I separated that barrel into 3. Probably more like I'm gonna try to get number 1 for that, and I think it's gonna go for number 1, no problem. So number 1, this is what I got out of that bucket that was Bear Bright. Oop, that is not gonna be Bear Bright. Matter of fact, there's a patina on it, something's on it. Bear Bright, so this is my Bear Bright. I'm gonna try to get Bear Bright for this bucket, pretty good sized bucket. And then this is all the rest of my number 2 that I have in the garage, and this can is pretty good size can, So 1, 2, 3 buckets I'm bringing in today. Let's see what we can make. What do you think, guys? Copper madness. Last week we did $400 and some on copper. This is copper that I've had hoarded for the past 8 months, 6 months. I've been hoarding this for the past 6 months. So this is some of my own. None of this actually has anything to do with my new scrap hole where I get the AC units. Now these, the copper that we brought in last week was from this stuff. And I still have all this left that I've got to go through, separate my brass from my copper. Yeah, so have to tear down that. Still have some units. What do I got? A few units right over here. It's got to be tore down, but that's what I'm gonna be working on. Getting these things tore down and scrapped out. I'm only going to here somewhere. 1, 2, 3. All these I'm saving, and I'm saving all my motors. Well, a lot of my motors. There's a whole bunch of them here and a whole bunch of them over here. So what I'm gonna be working on, sir. Cutting my motors down. That should not be in there. Yeah. Yep. I'm gonna get all my motors to there so that when my buddy Eric gets here from here, we can either take them from here or from there and just scrap them all the way down to the copper. And I just put out a video on that. So if you missed my most recent video, go check that out, because I did 5 motors. Made $40 for 5 motors, 11 pounds of copper, plus the heavy steel that comes from the motor. So yeah, not too bad. But you see what I got to work on. It's looking a lot better around here, especially once these air conditioners are gone. And that will be August, first week in August. All this is coming apart, taking every bit of them down. So that's going to be fun, and a bunch of motors, and a whole lot of fun at South Carolina. We're going to Broadway at the beach for a couple days. Matter of fact, we'll spend a couple days there. So, yep. All right, we'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching, guys. And if you missed any of my recent videos, please make sure you subscribe and ring that bell notification so you're notified next time I put out a video so you don't miss it. Because as you can see, I have lots to do. I have motors, garage door openers to do. I've got air conditioners to do. I've got a bunch of squirrel cages. I have buckets and buckets of miscellaneous micro scrapping to do to get this stuff all prepared and in its proper buckets. That's actually a trash bucket. It doesn't belong in it. It's garbage. But I have a few buckets around here that are just for micro scrapping. So you guys, hey, listen, if you like trapping, you're at the right place. Scrapping with Grandpa. What's next? What's next? What's next? You know the deal. I'll see you on the next one. And if you want to see what I get for that copper that I just turned in, don't go nowhere, because we're going to make a video of that too tomorrow.